Hi, in this video I'm looking at this problem here where we have a drawing of a shell and its enlargement, and we know the dimensions of the original drawing, but we don't know the width of the enlargement, and we want to work that out. So what we actually have is a similar figures problem, because we've got something that's simply been enlarged. So these two figures are similar, and to answer this problem I can use a halo method. And the halo method is we write down what we know. So I know that the length, the 4 centimeters, matches up with the enlargement over here's length of 12 centimeters. And I know that the width of the original is 0.9 centimeters, and I want to match that up to an unknown width. And what we can do is we can work out, okay, what do I need to multiply 4 by to get to 12? And then I can multiply the 0.9 by the same thing, and we get our answer. And the reason it's called a halo method is because it looks like we've just drawn a halo around our working out. So to work out what do I multiply 4 by to get to 12, I could think and just go, well, 4 times 3 gives us 12. Or I could do the opposite of multiply is divide. I could do 12 divided by 4, giving us 3, so I have to multiply 4 by 3 to get to 12. So if I multiply the 0.9 by 3, that will tell us what our answer for our width is going to be. So if we work this out, 0.9 times 3, our width of our enlargement is 2.7 centimeters. So that's it. Our enlargement is 2.7 centimeters wide. And we're done.